If you watched our previous videos, you know that we had an alternator issue on our EXP race car. Got home from work today, got it put back in. We got her all hooked up down here. Got the old voltage regulator put back in. We'll see if old Uncle Bumblefuck here knows how to do something. Alright, you gotta start this thing like a woman. Flip a couple switches, smack it a couple times. Well, that's a good start.